Eclipson do some really great models. You will have seen me review the Vortex, that is their latest powered glider slope soaring. We might be doing that soon. But this is their Spark, and I didn't print this. Actually, Nick printed this and gifted it to me. You'd flown it on a different power system.
Yeah.
You took all that out, and I put in a 4MAX power system with a 4S 2200 pack, which gets me just in front of the CG. But very slippery model, so basically all about power up to height and then power off and then 3S. George is behind and correcting me, can't get anything wrong when the boss is here. 3S 2200 pack. But easy to print.
Yeah, oh yeah, super easy. I mean, it's an Eclipson plane, so everything, majority of their stuff is vase mode.
Vase mode, so single wall.
And you can print this off. You know, I mean, I printed off on a week working from home, so it's fast.
Good. All right. Well, let's try it. A little get out there and do a power test, Adrian.
Been done.
Going backwards out of your hand. Slight angle. Just power test. All right. We're just going to do a quick power test.
Go full power. It is backwards.
Is it?
Do it again. Go on. Go full power. Yes, backwards.
It's a good day today.
No. You check all these things before you commit to flying. So, but this is a very easy fix that I should have done at home.
And actually a good lesson.
Good lesson for fellow idiots out there who don't do this type of stuff.
Remember to unplug your pack first.
Yeah. I'm not a total idiot. So it's all, if you want to change it, you can probably do it with the programmer, but otherwise it's just a case of swapping the phase wires like so. I just did this to make the video more entertaining.
Well, now it can be listed as educational.
Yes, it can as well.
And it is April the 1st, let's not forget.
Better check the ailerons and the elevator controls.
Hold on. Up, down, left, right.
Yeah.
That's max rates.
Probably
Go down to medium.
Go with medium.
Should we try again?
Okay.
Power test.
Do a power test.
We're going the right now. We're going forwards now.
Yeah. Okay. When you're ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. No drama.
No drama, love.
Oh, barely needs any trim.
Well printed.
Yeah. Now, what
You got
haven't I
brake
done,
on?
George?
Then put the brake
I
on.
got the brake.
Good job I got a programmer here.
Is it a folding problem?
Yeah. Which isn't folding because I didn't set the brake. Yeah, plenty on 3S. Just slowed down by the prop not folding. But no problem.
Remember that when you come to land.
You go up, do a stall turn and cut the power at the top of the stall turn.
Might fold.
Sounds good though.
It does.
Yes.
Colours show well.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is Elegoo's neon green PLA.
Now the battery's warmed up,
Yeah.
you can see it's going better.
Yeah. Yeah. Just pulled straight out.
Fantastic, isn't it? I can't see how close it is. If it hits me, it hits me.
Bring it in.
Hopefully it won't damage the prop.
Nah, it's fine.
Really?
Brilliant. No trim needed. Proves, as Nick said, how well this was printed. Straight as a die. Power system adequate as well. 3S. Why would you need more? Don't put a bigger pack in it. Doesn't need more power. Absolutely fine. Just need to set the brake on the speed controller so that it brakes when I'm off the throttle, so the prop folds back and you get that nice whoosh as it flies by. So link for this in the video description and a pinned comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Thanks, Nick.